Welcome traders! In this video, we are going to discuss the TrailAlgo indicator and how we can set it up in TradingView. Let's talk about how to access the TrailAlgo indicator. Once you subscribe to our TrailAlgo indicator, you'll find TrailAlgo accessible in the invite-only scripts section. We offer both indicators and strategies for all users, with subscription tiers ranging from Silver to Gold and Elite. Click on Indicator, then choose Invite-Only Scripts, and select the TrailAlgo Silver strategy over here. And that's all. We are going to focus on the buy side in this tutorial. Next, click Apply. Currently, we're implementing the TrailAlgo strategy on the Invesco QQQ Trust series, specifically on the 1-minute chart. The strategy operates very well on the 1-minute chart, helping us to analyze market trends and execute trades with precision. A critical aspect of any trading strategy is its performance metrics. The TrailAlgo strategy shows a profit factor of 2.22 with a net profit of $802.83, and the maximum drawdown is clearly visible over here. Additionally, the net profit and maximum drawdown figures provide valuable insights into the strategy's risk-reward profile, enabling traders to make informed decisions. To optimize the strategy further, traders can delve into the settings and make strategic adjustments. Click on the settings icon over here. One such parameter to consider is the level scaler factor, a crucial element influencing the frequency of trades. A subtle tweak to this factor can significantly impact trading outcomes. Let's change it to 0.8. Decreasing the scale factor results in more frequent trades, providing more trade opportunities in the markets. Conversely, increasing the scale factor leads to fewer trades, suited for a more conservative trading approach. We can just change the target to 1%. And a minimum target of 0.8. We have the TrailAlgo box over here. We can see the type of trade, the trade number, average price, the target, and the level. What sets TrailAlgo apart is its adaptability. Traders can automate the entire process using TradingView's alert section, ensuring seamless execution of the strategy. The strategy's continuous trading pattern is exemplified through a dollar-cost averaging strategy, starting with an initial quantity of 10,000. In backtesting, TrailAlgo shines brightly. A meticulous analysis of past performance reveals its profitability. The strategy's results are not just promising, they are a testament to its effectiveness. Detailed metrics, including average price, target level, and essential settings, are readily available, empowering traders with comprehensive insights. TrailAlgo emerges as a robust trading solution, offering traders a sophisticated toolset to navigate the complexities of the financial markets.